In this video I'm going to show you unsaturated niches you can target with GoHighLevel, where you don't have to compete with 50 other agencies. These are niches where clients already have money, already pay high fees, and where GoHighLevel fits perfectly. My name is Attila Mészáros, and just to make sure that I know what I'm talking about, you can check out my LinkedIn. I have more than 4,000 followers, and you can see my company there. And I have also generated more than thousands of leads for companies. As you can see, there are some screenshots where in August we had like 10 leads a day for a roofing company, and also in March 10 leads a day. I've personally helped businesses generate over $1 million in revenue, and I will show you which niches I would target today if I were to start again. Right, why saturated niches are a tap. Everyone targets gyms, landscapers, and dentists. Business owners in these niches are overpitched. Price sensitivity is high, and they compare you to 10 other agencies who have pitched them before. The key idea is the more crowded the niche, the harder it is to close deals and keep clients long term. So for every beginner who wants to start an SMM agency or freelance brand scaling or software arbitrage or software with a service, you can call it how you want, these unsaturated niches are a gold mine for beginners. Let's talk about the first one, Airbnb and short-term rental owners. Let's talk about why this niche works. They already pay 15+% fees to Airbnbs. They are business owners, not hobbyists. Also, removing Airbnb fees can easily cover your monthly retainer. Their problem is Airbnb owns the customer relationship. They have no direct booking system and no automation or follow-ups. So basically their main problem points is they don't have very smooth contact info, and people who want to book into their Airbnbs have to go through the Airbnb application, and it's not that smooth, and you can give them a much better short-term rental booking system, which is a new update in GoHighLevel. Also direct booking funnels, automated SMS and email confirmations, and guest follow-ups and review requests. You can position this offer. If we move even a fraction of your bookings of Airbnb, this system pays for itself. My second niche is recruitment companies. Why recruiters are a gold mine? Their average commission is 15 to 20% of the first year salary. So if they employ someone for a 100k salary, they get a 15 to 20k commission just on one single person. They understand return on investment better than most other niches. You can have two monetization angles. You can charge recruitment agencies a monthly retainer or sell directly to companies to replace recruiters. Basically, both works very well. One of my friends is using this model. You can send this outreach script to companies. Instead of paying a recruiter a massive commission, you can pay us a predictable monthly subscription. We run direct ad campaigns and fill your job openings for you. These companies are privately owned, so you can reach out to them on the phone or via email or through LinkedIn. GoHighLevel system gives them recruitment funnels, ad tracking, automated SMS and email follow-ups, candidate qualification and booking. The next niche is trade schools. Alright, let's talk about why trade schools are overlooked. These companies are privately owned. Students pay between $10,000 and $30,000 per enrollment. They have a very high lifetime value. So basically it is a high ticket niche as like a kitchen remodeler, and this is very unsaturated. They need SEO, paid ads, AI chat agents, and even automated follow-ups. If you can just get them one or two enrolled student, this is very high ticket, and they will pay you thousands of dollars monthly. GoHighLevel advantage that you have over other agencies: full lead capture system, nurture sequences, and appointment booking. One extra student can pay your retainer for an entire year. So you give them a new system which nurtures the incoming leads and also pays for itself, and they see the real value in it because it's very high ticket. Let's talk about travel agencies and why it is very unsaturated and how you can solve it with GoHighLevel. Why travel is easy to market. It is an emotion-driven niche. Visual content performs extremely well. So it is really easy to sell a video of a holiday for people, and you can easily run ads for them. Their common gaps is they have outdated websites, no SEO or ads, which GoHighLevel solves with different kind of ways, and you can reach the businesses on the Google My Business profile in the first page within like 3 to 6 months to every single travel agency. And they have English instant social media. So the GoHighLevel stack for them is a high converting website, booking funnels, social media scheduling, email, and SMS automation. And when you pick this niche, you can also create like a snapshot for them, and you just have to do the outbound for these companies, and you basically copy paste the whole system, change some logos on the website and some SEO, but the automations and the website templates you can build out, and you can sell the same to other travel agencies. What are the fifth niche? Equipment rental businesses. This is really great because a lot of marketing agencies are afraid of these type of businesses because it's a little bit hard to work with, but with GoHighLevel you can solve their problems very easily. For example, construction equipment, event rentals, tools and machinery. Their problems are they have manual booking, no inventory system, and no automated reminders, which gives them a lot of headaches to run after every customer that bring back the equipment and problems like this. So the GoHighLevel solution is booking funnels, inventory logic. You can do it with the GoHighLevel's very great calendar, which is updated very frequently. I use it for a lot of roofers, cafes, restaurants, and you can build very, very great automations and systems throughout this. Also automated SMS and email reminders. Review and repeat customer flows. So yeah, you can solve these problems for this business that's considered hard to work with GoHighLevel very easily. And the sixth tip is micro-niching, which is a real advantage and everybody forgets it. The rule is don't target landscapers. You should target tree trimming companies. Don't target gyms. You target a smaller niche within the gyms. For example, target CrossFit gyms. Why micro niches win every single time and why you should use it to your advantage. Micro niches have less competition, they have clear pain points, they have faster authority, and they have higher close rates. The riches are in the niches, and it's still true today. One of the great marketers said it a long time ago. So if you want my exact GoHighLevel systems, funnels, and outreach strategies, I've put everything inside my free school community. You can join my free school group and you can get a free GoHighLevel trial. This is the software that I'm using for my whole agency, and basically it is an all-in-one platform which lets you travel and also run a one-man agency in the beginning. So you should stop competing in saturated markets, pick smarter niches, and let systems do the work for you. So let's see my course. It is a free course. You have SMMA and SaaS basics. You have outreach strategies, how to do outreach for companies, how to structure a meeting. You have a whole course on this GoHighLevel, and also you have a GoHighLevel Mastery Vault, where you can see that a lot of other successful people who are using this software. For example, this guy has 500 clients in gyms, he has 160 in Google reviews, he has 300 clients in cosmetic clinics. So it is really great, and I invite every single person to network and join to this free community.